So welcome to Cooking Across America. This week we're in the Midwest and we're gonna make a dandelion salad, which is one of those things that's associated with spring. Now, if you're in the generation of mine or after, you didn't grow up eating dandelions, you probably grew up getting them out of your lawn in any way possible. However, for earlier generations of Americans, including those who immigrated from Europe, they brought dandelions with them. We would call it an invasive species. It's not from here. But they brought them because it had so many nutritional and medicinal purposes they couldn't imagine traveling without it. So what is our weed was their wonder plant. In the 1930s, when money was tight in a lot of families, dandelions proved their worth. They became a great source of greens that were free out in your yard. You didn't treat them with chemicals then. You just pulled them, you washed them, and then you ate them. So our recipe calls for using dandelion greens and green onions. I decided to change it up a little bit because I like color, so I've got some colored peppers over here. And we're gonna take, now when you go pick them out of your yard, A, make sure you don't have chemicals on the lawn. B, make sure you wash them really well because you just never know if the neighborhood dog has been by. I know it sounds disgusting. It's just something to be aware of. So I went out and picked a bunch, and as you see, I got some grass and I got some leaves. That's why these got a really, really good washing before they went into my bowl. Now, you could pick as many as you want and fill your bowl up as much as you want. I didn't need a lot. So I'm gonna take my washed dandelion greens. I'm going to add some onion and some colored peppers. Now you can add whatever kind of salad dressing you want. You can use your basic olive oil. I've got some apple cider vinegar and actually I've got some balsamic vinegar. I'm going to go with the balsamic vinegar and the olive oil. And I'm going to just put a little bit of dressing on it. Give that a bit of a stir. And I'm going to try my dandelion salad. I'm not going to tell you, it really is that good. Now, the secret with dandelions is get them early before they have a lot of blooms. They do tend to get a little tougher and a little more bitter as they go. If you want to blanch them very briefly, run them under some really hot water momentarily, pull them out, and then go ahead and make your salad. You can mix it with lettuce, you can mix it with any other kind of greens, but dandelion salad from Cooking Across America. See you next week.